Diviera e mira la vera. Voices calling from the light. Can you feel them tonight?
I walk through the sound where the shadows fade. Every beat's a truth that the heavens made. From silence we rise, from chaos we shine. The rhythm connects the soul and divine. The voices whisper, believe, don't fight. They guide you steps through the endless night. No fear, no doubt, just hold on tight. You're not alone.
There are voices in the light. Voices in the light, calling out your name. Feel them in your heart, burning like a flame, leading you to freedom, shining ever bright. Follow the sound. Voices in the light.
Through the fire and rain, through the rise and fall. The rhythm's a language that speaks to all. Each echo's a prayer, each chord's a sign. The light's not far, it's right inside. Lift your eyes, let your soul ignite. We move as one through the cosmic night. No turning back, the path's in sight. We are the song.
Voices in the light, voices in the light, calling out your name. Feel them in your heart, burning like a flame, leading you to freedom, shining ever bright. Follow the sound. Voices in the light, they whisper, they guide, they guide. They live in your rhythm, they never die. Voices in the light,
Rise from the soul,
every beat unites.
making you whole.
Through the rhythm we find what's right.
Forever we shine.